Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Hope your loved ones are doing well. So today I have created this beautiful, smoky cut crease look. I absolutely loved it. So if you guys want to know how to do it, it's very easy, very basic, very simple. So without a further ado, let's get started. But before that, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So whenever I upload a video, you will be notified, and do follow me on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for moisturizer, I'll be using this Pond Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. This is a very good, very lightweight moisturizer, and this is how it looks. And just spread all over your face, and your skin will feel very hydrating, very soft, very gentle at the same time. And it's really good for winters, and yeah, you can use it on summer also. It's really good because it's very lightweight, so it's really good for oily, sensitive, acne prone skin girls. So definitely try this out. Next, for primer, I'll be using NYX Angel Veil Primer. It's a skin perfecting primer. So just going to take a little bit from this. I absolutely love this. It's one of my favorite primer. It will give that perfect finish to your skin. Just apply all over, and I think it blurs out your pores also. If I see, no, not really. It gives you that very smooth finish to your makeup. Next, for the pores, I'll be using this e.l.f. poreless putty primer. Now coming on to this primer, I absolutely love it. Love this. The consistency of this primer, it's really nice. As you can see, just need to press and remove a little bit and just apply on your skin. Now let's see if this blurs out your pores or not. I would say not really, not at all. It gives you that canvas finish. It gives you that very smooth finish to your skin. If I want to go with the poreless primer, I'll be using this Blue Heaven poreless primer. It gives you that silk matte finish, and I have heard a lot about this product. Like, it actually blurs out your pores. It makes it very less visible. Yeah, I can see now. Coming on to corrector, now I'll be using this Cuffs and Lashes Cover Pots, and it's in the shade 1515, and it's a peach corrector. I'm just going to use this brush. This is F011 from Cuffs and Lashes, and it's a peach corrector, to cancel out your dark circles or dark spots if you have on your face. Just blending it with the Mars Cosmetic Beauty Blender. Now this is another very beautiful beauty blender if you're looking on affordable range. Very amazing. It soaks very less product and give you that really flawless finish. So here for my eyelid, I'll be using this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect concealer, and I'm in the shade Pure Beige. I absolutely love this. It has a very good consistency. It's a very light formula, but gives you very full coverage. Like that, just blend it. That's all. For my eyeshadow, I'll be using this two palettes. So one is from the Nykaa Beachside Peach Eyes on Me eyeshadow palette, and another one is K Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm in the shade Wild and Free. And I absolutely love this both. It has that warm neutral colors to it. And just going to take this shade on my crease. Fluffy brush, which is from the Do Care. Now I'll be using this color from this K Beauty eyeshadow palette. I will be using this particular shade and just going to enhance the outer side. And now with the help of this flat small brush, I'll be using this Miss Claire Full Coverage Foundation Concealer. with the same, this color, wood color, just going to mix the transition. Using this flat brush from the Do Care, I'll be using this particular light peach color, as you can see, and just going to apply. Alright, so my eyeshadow is done, and for my eyeliner I'll be using this Essence Super Last Eyeliner. So my eyeshadow and my eyeliner is done. Now moving on to base. I will be using today this Milani Perfect Plus Conceal foundation, and I'm going to apply with this beauty blender and just take a little bit and apply. Now this gives you a very full coverage, so you have to, a little bit goes a long way, so just blend it. Now coming on to this beauty blender, it's absolutely amazing because first of all, it does not soaks up much product and gives you that very good finish. So my base is done, and now for my concealer, I will be using this Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm in the shade Sand, and I absolutely love this. I use it as a foundation also. You can see the wand is so amazing. It's a very thick wand. It goes perfectly under your eyes and gives you that very good it has that very good coverage, so you can use it as, I use it as a foundation because, you know, it gives that full coverage. It's a full coverage concealer, so you don't need to apply any foundation if you are using this. So now just to highlight my under eye, I'll be using this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer, and here, that's all. Okay. It has that very light formula yet give you a very full coverage. And just to set my under eye, I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I'm in the shade Light Medium, and just going to take, it's a very full coverage loose powder, you guys, so take a little bit, goes a long way, and just bake under your eye. I absolutely love this. You know, when it comes to affordable range and you want that 100% quality product, so this is the one which I know trust a lot. Alright, so my brows are done, and you can see it looks perfect. It looks like perfect shaped brow. Now for my bronzer, I will be using two bronzer. Now today I have this really amazing bronzer, one from Kiko Milano, and I'm in the shade Sienna, and another one is the Coloressence matte bronzer. So if you are looking for a good bronzer when it comes to affordable range, go for the Coloressence one. It's bang on, trust me. मार्केट में अभी भी हमें ब्रॉन्जर अच्छे नहीं मिल रहे, you know, when it comes to affordable. So if you want to try, if you want to, you know, give it a shot, if you're a beginner and want to try a bronzer, go for this one. I absolutely love this. And when it comes to, you know, high end, I would say a medium range, go for this. This cost me around 1000, above 1000 rupees. So it comes on high end only. So try for the Kiko Milano one. It's absolute amazing. Now talking about this bronzer, now this doesn't dust off. The particle does not comes out. And when we talk about this Coloressence one, so the quality, the product is really nice. The quantity is really nice. The price range is really nice. But when I just take a little bit, so some particles, some very few particles just comes out, which is perfectly fine for me. I don't mind. So what you can do is just dab, dust it off excess, and just apply on your face. So let me just show you how it looks. It has a little, fragrance to it, but I don't mind. जब तक product अच्छा मिल रहा है, I don't mind that. Pack 211 brush and just going to apply. These two both are really amazing. So if you guys want to try, if you guys want to go for bronzer, do try this out. So coming on to my blush, I will be using this Maybelline Plush Creator, Master Plush Creator, and I'm in the shade Kiss Bite, only on the high points. Now just going to remove all the excess powder. I will be using this caramel shade from the K Beauty eyeshadow palette and just going to kajal from the K Beauty and just going to apply right over here. Will be using this Wet n Wild color icon kajal. It's in the shade white and just going to apply. Just to give that extra depth to this side, I will be using this black color from the K Beauty one. It's Ebony, and just going to mix it with my bit more blush. I will be using this Sugar Contour de Force palette and just going to use this particular shade and apply. This two mascara, which is again from the Flower Beauty one and the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. So I will be doing double coat. So let me just apply this Flower Beauty one first and then we will be applying the Lash Paradise. So yeah, I don't feel like applying a false lashes because it hurts my, first of all it hurts my eyes a lot and I feel like something is there on my eye. I feel very uncomfortable applying falsies. Double coat with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I love this a lot. It's a waterproof mascara, so it's really difficult to remove it. Now just to set my makeup, I'll be using this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. Now moving on to highlighter, I will be using again from the Sugar Contour de Force palette. Alright, so I have already lined my lips with using, PAC lip liner and I'm in the shade Coffee. Now mixing this two color, which is one is from New Color and another is again from New Color. So just mixing both the colors together and let's see which colors comes out. I'll be using this e.l.f. lip lacquer in the shade Moody